Bioflow is an application. It is meant for breeders to use on like routine activities in their breeding program, mostly to perform selection. It's a semi-automated tool for them. You just need to plug in data into the Bioflow. There's no need for extensive knowledge about the type of analysis they're doing. They just have to click buttons basically and select the models within Bioflow. And those models, they were previously curated by a team of like biometricians and quantitative geneticists. So it is state of the art, like the best models they could be using to perform selection, but at the click of a button. There are like demands for you to report a lot of metrics on your breeding program. This for donors or your own managers. There's also all kinds of doubts of what should be reported and how should I calculate this, especially genetic gain. There are many metrics of genetic gain, a bit cumbersome to figure out how is the best way to report. Bioflow is intended to bypass all these troubles that might afflict the breeders. There are modules within the Bioflow to calculate genetic gain, both realized and predicted. And it's meant for you to use it to report the gains on your breeding programs. This is the exact formatting and the exact measurements or estimates that is going to be demanded from you to report. They will get as an output either dashboards with reports explaining to them what was done in the analysis, summarizing the results as well with very brief explanations and plots. Also, they will get values to make selection on. Also, there are modules for cross selection, so they will have a list of crosses as an output and so forth. You can input the data straight from your computer. It can be an Excel file, but it could also be straight from the databases. Bioflow works with BSM, EVS, and BreedBase. If you needed to save a lot of time, this is the one to go for. It's very easy to use. During my whole career, I've dealt with many sorts of software, and it took me a really long while to learn how to use R. The Bioflow, it took me a couple of hours to learn how to use and understand how to deploy the models. It's just terribly easy. So the Bioflow, the development is not done by a group of scientists sitting somewhere isolated. These are the very people you work with, because they work within the CGIAR Center. He works on this exchange with breeders as well. So the models are deployed in Bioflow, and we let breeders use it, and we collect feedback, and we keep using the feedback to improve on this as well. You can trust the models that are within the Bioflow. They were selected for being extremely robust, and these are state-of-the-art models. Bioflow can be accessed 3 ways. There is a guest server, which is for everybody, does not require login. If you want to just do a test run with a small data set just to get to know the tool, that is the go-to. Because you don't need to install anything on your computer, you just have to open a web page and get started on it. You could also go to the production server, but that then will require you to log in. And for you to get a username and a password and be able to log in, you need to belong to either the CG centers or the NARS partners. Finally, this option is available basically for everybody as well, and it's also good because you can use it offline.